Hello everyone, and in today's video I will show you how to create a Discord guild tag. Want the cool tag next to your server name on Discord? In this quick video I'll show you how to create a Discord guild tag in under 2 minutes. What is a guild tag? A guild tag is that short 2 to 5 character code you see next to server names, usually in capital letters. It helps your community stand out, especially in search or if you are part of Discord's server discovery requirements. Now there is a thing. Guild tags are only available if your server is part of the Discord partner program or is a verified server, like those for game studios, streamers, or content creators. Server must be verified or partnered, tag must be 2 to 5 characters, and this feature is not available for regular servers. How to set it up. If your server is eligible, here is how to create or change your guild tag. You should simply go to your server, click on your server name, then choose server settings. And here on the left side, you should find here this option, guild settings. Just click on it. And here you will be able to edit your guild. You can select games and select play styles. You can choose who is your target audience, create a badge and tag for your guild, and so on. Now, what if you are not eligible? If you are not verified or partnered, you cannot officially set a guild tag, but you can fake one by editing your server name manually. Just add something like XYZ capital like this here in this example. Just add it in front of the server name. And that is it, your quick guide to creating a Discord guild tag. If you find it helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.